What defines intelligence? Is it solely a human trait, or can machines also possess it? This question has fueled countless debates, fired up innumerable scientific researches, and inspired a host of sci-fi movies. But as we stand at the juncture of the 21st century, it's time we look at intelligence beyond the traditional realms of biology. Intelligence, broadly speaking, is the ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge, to reason and solve problems, to interpret and navigate complex environments. It's a cognitive ability that we often associate with living entities, particularly humans. But what if we told you that intelligence isn't limited to the domain of biological entities? This brings us to an intriguing dichotomy: the realm of digital intelligence and biological intelligence. Digital intelligence, as the name suggests, is the cognitive capability exhibited by computer systems, machines, entities that rely on algorithms and computational processes to interpret data, make decisions, and even learn over time. Whether it's your virtual assistant setting up your reminders, or an autonomous vehicle navigating traffic, or a chatbot answering your queries, you're experiencing digital intelligence at work. On the flip side, we have biological intelligence, the cognitive prowess that's native to living organisms. It's not just about reasoning and problem solving, it's also about perception, emotions, empathy, and a holistic understanding of the world through physical sensations. The creativity, adaptability, and the subjective experiences that biological intelligence brings to the table is something that digital intelligence is still striving to achieve. As we move forward, we'll be delving deeper into both these forms of intelligence, exploring their strengths, their limitations, and how they coexist in our world. The journey promises to be fascinating, thought-provoking, and filled with revelations. So as we delve into the characteristics of both digital and biological intelligence, we invite you to ponder on these forms of cognition. Are they truly distinct, or do they share more common ground than we currently perceive? As the lines between biology and technology continue to blur, these are the questions that will shape our understanding of intelligence in the years to come. Enter the world of digital intelligence, a realm where computers and algorithms reign. Here, cognitive abilities are not born of flesh and bone, but of code and silicon. This is the arena of artificial intelligence, where digital systems mimic and sometimes even surpass human capabilities in specific tasks. Digital intelligence is like a chameleon, flexible and adaptable, able to shift and evolve according to the demands of the task at hand. Its scalability is another key feature, allowing it to handle vast amounts of data, far beyond the capacity of a single human brain. And it's not just about processing power. Digital intelligence learns and evolves over time, thanks to the marvels of machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, who can manage your schedule, answer your emails, and even order your groceries with a simple voice command. That's the magic of virtual assistants, a prime example of digital intelligence at work. But it doesn't stop there. Autonomous vehicles capable of navigating complex traffic situations and making split-second decisions are another testament to the power of digital intelligence. And let's not forget about recommendation algorithms, those clever little systems that predict what movie you'd like to watch next or what product you might want to buy. They learn from our preferences, our habits, our choices, and get better at predicting what we want with every interaction. Chatbots, too, are part of this digital revolution. They can answer queries, provide customer support, and even offer a semblance of conversation, all thanks to the power of digital intelligence. But it's not all roses and sunshine in the world of digital intelligence. While it may excel in certain areas, it still has a long way to go in mimicking the depth and breadth of human cognition. Digital intelligence, while impressive, is not without its limitations. The journey of exploring these limitations and how they compare to the strengths and weaknesses of biological intelligence continues. Let's press on. Despite its advancements, digital intelligence has its bounds. It's crucial to note that while digital intelligence has made significant strides, it's still fundamentally different from biological intelligence. One key limitation lies in its lack of consciousness. Digital intelligence, as it stands today, doesn't experience emotions or possess self-awareness. It operates on the basis of algorithms and computational processes, devoid of subjective experiences. Also, digital intelligence lacks the ability to experience the world through sensory perception. It can't taste a ripe berry or smell the aroma of a freshly brewed cup of coffee. It can't touch the softness of a kitten's fur, or hear the subtle rustling of leaves on a windy day. These sensory experiences, which contribute to our holistic understanding of the world, are still beyond the reach of digital intelligence. Furthermore, digital intelligence is often narrowly focused, excelling in specific tasks but struggling when faced with unfamiliar situations outside of its training data. Now let's shift our focus to another form of intelligence that is deeply ingrained in our lives: biological intelligence. Biological intelligence, a cognitive ability that has evolved over millions of years. This remarkable form of cognition is the result of nature's painstaking process of evolution, fine-tuning organisms for survival in a complex and ever-changing world. At the heart of biological intelligence is adaptability. Unlike digital intelligence, which is programmed and follows a set of predefined rules, biological intelligence is flexible and can learn from experiences. This adaptability allows humans and other animals to react to changes in their environment, to devise innovative solutions to problems, and to plan for the future. It's this capacity for learning, problem-solving, and creativity that defines much of our human experience. But there's more to biological intelligence than just problem-solving and adaptability. It also encompasses emotions and social intelligence. These are the aspects that make us human, that allow us to form deep relationships, to empathize with others, and to navigate complex social situations. Emotions and social intelligence play crucial roles in our decision-making processes and our interactions with others. They add a layer of richness to our understanding of the world that is currently beyond the capabilities of digital intelligence. Furthermore, biological intelligence is intimately connected with physical sensations, providing a holistic understanding of the world. Think about the warmth of the sun on your skin, the taste of your favorite food, or the scent of a blooming flower. These sensory experiences, which are so much a part of our daily lives, are a testament to the depth and breadth of biological intelligence. They add another dimension to our cognition, one that is grounded in our physical existence and our interactions with the world around us. However, despite its many advantages, it's important to note that biological intelligence is not without its flaws. Just like digital intelligence, biological intelligence also has its own set of limitations. These limitations, which we'll explore in the next scene, remind us that no form of intelligence is perfect, and each has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Despite its complexity, biological intelligence is not without its constraints. Let's take a glance at some of its limitations. Biological intelligence is bound by the physical and mental stamina of the living organism. Unlike digital intelligence that can function ceaselessly, biological intelligence is susceptible to fatigue, requiring periods of rest to maintain optimal functioning. Another limitation comes with age. As organisms age, their cognitive abilities can decline, affecting memory, problem-solving skills, and the speed of information processing. This is a stark contrast to digital intelligence, which remains unaffected by the passage of time. Then there's the limit of human memory. While digital intelligence can store and access vast quantities of data with precision, human memory is much more fallible. We forget things, we misremember, and we're prone to cognitive biases that can skew our perceptions and decision-making. As we've seen, both forms of intelligence have their strengths and weaknesses. In this journey, we've explored the vast landscapes of digital and biological intelligence. We've seen the intricate dance of algorithms and computations that form the backbone of digital intelligence. This digital realm, powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, exhibits remarkable flexibility and scalability. It shines in tasks like data processing, problem-solving, and pattern recognition, pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. Yet, digital intelligence is not without its limitations. It lacks the profound depth of consciousness, the raw emotions, and the rich sensory experiences that characterize biological intelligence. It's like a brilliant composer who can craft a symphony but can't experience the thrill of the music itself. On the flip side, we've delved into the world of biological intelligence, a realm teeming with life and consciousness. Biological intelligence, exhibited by humans and other animals, is a marvel of evolution. It's our capacity to perceive, learn, reason, and solve problems. It's our ability to feel emotions, to empathize, and to navigate the social world. It's the taste of a ripe apple, the scent of a blooming flower, the touch of a warm hand. However, biological intelligence, too, isn't flawless. It's bounded by the limitations of our physical bodies and the pace of biological evolution. It's susceptible to fatigue, disease, and the inevitable march of time. Despite their differences, digital and biological intelligence are not in opposition. Instead, they complement each other, like two sides of the same coin. Digital intelligence can enhance our biological capabilities, while biological intelligence provides inspiration for the advancement of artificial intelligence. It's an intriguing dance of silicon and neurons, of codes and emotions, of the artificial and the natural. As we continue to probe the depths of intelligence, we're left to ponder: how will the interplay between digital and biological intelligence shape our future?